Listen, this business about, oh, you're only in recovery if you do it this way and you're not in recovery if you do it that way, that shit needs to stop, okay? The recovery community cannot be divided. We are the light of the world. It says in the Bible that God uses the foolish things of the world to confound the wise. You know what that means? It means that he's picking up the nobodies. He's picking up the people who died. He's picking up the people who OD'd. He's picking up the people who lost their children. He's picking those people up and he's rising them up. We are being elevated because we are the example of what it looks like to be the light of the world. We are the example. He is using us to show the people who used to be wise, who are now foolish, divided in all this crap, that this is the way. This is the way we live. United, not divided. Stop dividing the recovery community. There are multiple pathways to recover. Not everybody has to do it your way.